YouTube, it's Jasmine JassyyB. If you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. So right here, I'm just straightening my hair with my straighteners, and I'm just getting the hair as straight as possible. So then later on, I can go in and add my curls. Okay, so now my hair is basically as straight as I could possibly get it. I think it looks pretty straight. So right now I'm just pinning my hair up so that I can get ready to curl it section by section. And y'all, these curls were not coming out how I wanted them to come out, but my hair overall did look popping. But listen, some of these curls were not curling, but I just try to like go with it, okay? So the ultimate goal here is to just put random loose curls throughout your hair to give it that body, that bounce, and that volume. And y'all, this curl did not come out right. Like, I literally tried to curl this part and it just came out like however it wanted to come out. Okay, so I'm finished curling my hair, and right now I'm just kind of running my fingers through it and, you know, fluffing it up and adding some more volume so that I can get the look that I'm going for. And I have to say, it came out really good. Like, it came out better than I expected, because those curls were not coming out in the beginning, but overall it definitely came out better than I expected. It has a lot of body, a lot of bounce, and it looks really full. So that's kind of like the illusion of adding those loose curls to your hair. It gives it that full look, and it gives it, you know, more body and bounce. And I'm just going in with the flat iron and adding some more random curls to my hair. If you guys made it to the end, make sure you drop a pink heart in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.